Hey guys, it's Lori. We're at a park today. It's just me and John. We brought Winston with us. They have a dog park here, so we're going to take him over there and let him run and see how he does with it. There are a few other dogs here. He's never been to the dog park before, so yeah, and this is a really pretty park. I really like it. So anyway, yeah, so the other day, well, it was like a week ago, I did a grocery haul and I had a cantaloupe that I wanted. It's like, I've been dying for cantaloupe. Well, it didn't have like any flavor at all. It had no flavor. In fact, I ended up throwing it away. So I was kind of having a bad day today, a little emotional. I was just being emotional. It's hormones, guys. I'm at that age, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, yeah, John went to a farm market and picked me up a fresh cantaloupe, and it smells wonderful. So that's not really going to fit in too well with my low carb stuff, but you know what? I'm going to eat it anyway. I'm just going to have to lift a little extra or something. But let's go see how Winston does at the dog park.
Water?
Come on. He wants to play. He's only interested in the dogs on the other side of the fence. We're in the small dog area. So John's fetching the ball right now. Winston. Nope, he's just gonna lift his leg. Did you see that? Go get it. Go get it. Good boy, Winston.
Good boy.
Gotta water all the trees, dude. You gotta be out of water by now. What do you think of that? Yep, he's done. Winston. Okay. He says no more swimming pool. I kind of like it though. All right, that was just short and sweet for you guys today. I think Winston spent most of his time here trying to run with the big dogs, but I think he had a pretty good time, and he's probably going to be really tired tonight, so he should sleep good. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.